Native speakers use phrasal verbs all the time. Let's learn 100 of the most useful ones with clear examples. Bring up. Bring up. She decided to bring up the new project during the meeting. Run out of. Run out of. We are going to run out of milk if you don't go to the store. Look after. Look after. Can you look after my cat while I am on vacation? Give up. Give up. You should never give up on your dreams, no matter how hard they seem. Call off. Call off. The referee had to call off the match because of the heavy rain. Turn on. Turn on. Please turn on the light so I can read my book. Get along. Get along. Do you get along well with your new neighbors? Carry on. Carry on. Even though it was difficult, they decided to carry on with the hike. Find out. Find out. I need to find out what time the train leaves tomorrow. Put off. Put off. Don't put off your homework until the last minute. Check out. Check out. You should check out that new cafe. The coffee is excellent. Take off. Take off. The plane is scheduled to take off at 6 o'clock sharp. Hold on. Hold on. Please hold on for a moment while I find my keys. Break down. Break down. My old car tends to break down when the weather gets too cold. Go on. Go on. Please go on with your story. It is very interesting. Look for. Look for. I am looking for my glasses. Have you seen them anywhere? Pick up. Pick up. I will pick up some bread on my way home from work. Set up. Set up. They are planning to set up a new business in the city center. Keep up. Keep up. It is hard to keep up with the latest technology trends. Back up. Back up. You should always back up your important files on a hard drive. If you are finding these phrasal verbs helpful, please like this video, comment your favorite phrasal verb below, and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Cut down on. Cut down on. The doctor told him to cut down on sugar for his health. Fall apart. Fall apart. This old book is starting to fall apart because it is so old. Get over. Get over. It took her a long time to get over the flu. Hand in. Hand in. Remember to hand in your essay before the end of the week. Look forward to. Look forward to. I really look forward to meeting you in person next month. Pass out. Pass out. It was so hot in the room that I felt like I might pass out. Run into. Run into. I didn't expect to run into my old teacher at the supermarket. Show off. Show off. He likes to show off his new car to all his friends. Take up. Take up. I decided to take up painting as a new hobby this year. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. There is some broken glass on the floor. Work out. Work out. I try to work out at the gym at least 3 times a week. Blow up. Blow up. The kids were excited to blow up the balloons for the party. Clean up. Clean up. We need to clean up the kitchen after we finish cooking. Drop off. Drop off. Can you drop off this package at the post office for me? Eat out. Eat out. We usually eat out on Friday nights to celebrate the weekend. Fill out. Fill out. Please fill out this application form with your personal details. Get up. Get up. I usually get up at 7 a.m. to prepare for my day. Hang out. Hang out. My friends and I like to hang out at the park on Saturdays. Keep on. Keep on. If you keep on practicing, your English will improve quickly. Look up. Look up. If you don't know the word, you can look it up in the dictionary. Make up. Make up. They had an argument, but they quickly decided to make up. Pay back. Pay back. I will pay back the money I borrowed from you next week. Put on. Put on. Don't forget to put on your coat because it is freezing outside. Run away. Run away. The cat tried to run away when it saw the big dog. Set off. Set off. We need to set off early to avoid the morning traffic. Phrasal verbs often have multiple meanings. Instead of memorizing them all at once, focus on the most common meaning first and use it in a sentence about your own life. Think over. Think over. I need some time to think over your offer before I decide. Try on. Try on. You should try on those shoes to see if they fit you. Turn off. Turn off. Remember to turn off the oven before you leave the house. Wake up. Wake up. I usually wake up before my alarm clock goes off. Write down. Write down. Please write down your phone number on this piece of paper. Ask for. Ask for. You should ask for help if you don't understand the task. Break up. Break up. They decided to break up after 3 years of dating. Come across. Come across. I came across an interesting article while surfing the web. Dress up. Dress up. We need to dress up for the wedding ceremony tonight. End up. End up. We got lost and ended up in a small village far away. Get away. Get away. I really need a vacation to get away from the city stress. Grow up. Grow up. I grew up in a small town near the mountains. Hold up. Hold up. Sorry I'm late. The traffic held up the bus for 20 minutes. Keep away. Keep away. Please keep away from the edge of the cliff. It is dangerous. Let down. Let down. I promised to help him, and I didn't want to let him down. Look into. Look into. The police are going to look into the cause of the accident. Pass away. Pass away. Her grandfather passed away peacefully at the age of 90. Point out. Point out. He was kind enough to point out the mistakes in my report. Put away. Put away. Please put away your toys before you go to bed. Sleep over. Sleep over. My cousin is going to sleep over at our house tonight. Notice that some phrasal verbs can be separated, put your coat on, and some cannot, look after your cat. When you learn a new one, always check if it's separable. Take back. Take back. If the shirt doesn't fit, you can take it back to the shop. Throw away. Throw away. Don't throw away that bottle. It can be recycled. Turn up. Turn up. Can you turn up the volume? I can't hear the news. Warm up. Warm up. It is important to warm up your muscles before exercising. Back out. Back out. He decided to back out of the deal at the last minute. Break out. Break out. A fire broke out in the old warehouse last night. Bring about. Bring about. The new law will bring about many changes in the city. Check in. Check in. We need to check in at the hotel before 10 p.m. Come back. Come back. When do you think you will come back from your trip? Cut out. Cut out. You should cut out fried foods if you want to lose weight. Do over. Do over. My teacher asked me to do over the assignment. Drop out. Drop out. He had to drop out of the race because of a leg injury. Fall down. Fall down. Be careful not to fall down on the icy sidewalk. Get back. Get back. What time did you get back from the party last night? Give away. Give away. They decided to give away their old clothes to charity. Go out. Go out. Do you want to go out for dinner this evening? Hand out. Hand out. The teacher began to hand out the exam papers. Hurry up. Hurry up. Please hurry up, or we will miss the beginning of the movie. Keep out. Keep out. The sign says, private property, keep out. Look down on. Look down on. You should never look down on someone because of their job. Make out. Make out. It was so foggy that I couldn't make out the road signs. Pass out. Pass out. They pass out free samples of juice at the mall. Pull over. Pull over. The police officer signaled the driver to pull over. Put up with. Put up with. I don't know how she can put up with that loud noise. Run over. Run over. Be careful crossing the street so a car doesn't run you over. The best way to master these is the rule of 3. Try to use one new phrasal verb in 3 different sentences today. This moves the word from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. Send back. Send back. This soup is cold, so I am going to send it back. Show up. Show up. We waited for an hour, but he didn't show up. Stand up. Stand up. Everyone had to stand up when the judge entered the room. Take down. Take down. Please take down the decorations after the party is over. Turn down. Turn down. She had to turn down the job offer because the salary was low. Use up. Use up. Don't use up all the toilet paper. We don't have any more. Wait on. Wait on. The waiter came to wait on our table very quickly. Work on. Work on. I need to work on my pronunciation to be understood better. Yield to. Yield to. Drivers must yield to pedestrians at the crosswalk. Zip up. Zip up. It is cold today, so make sure to zip up your jacket. Amazing job! You've mastered phrasal verbs. Next, let's learn idioms and expressions to sound completely natural.